Hello, optimize sheet and roll cutting with intelligent layout generation for efficient production planning. Optimizing 1D and 2D cutting layouts to reduce waste and maximize material use can be easy now with Cut and Trim app. Reduce material waste, maximize utilization, and generate optimized cutting layouts for rolls, sheets, panels, and boards. We will begin with 1D roll trim optimization. First, go to the input page and enter the following settings. Mother roll width, minimum waste, maximum number of knives. Next, add each order by entering its width and required quantity one at a time. Alternatively, you can import all orders at once from an Excel sheet. You can now run the optimization. The system will generate the optimal cutting patterns and display the required number of runs. It will also provide multiple pattern options, each designed to achieve low trim waste while meeting your production requirements. After the optimization is complete, you can analyze the optimization report to review key performance indicators such as material utilization, trim waste, production quantities, and overall efficiency. You can also open the pattern simulation layouts to visually inspect each cutting pattern. The simulation shows how the rolls are arranged across the mother roll, making it easy to verify the layout, compare alternative patterns, and select the most suitable one for production. Now let's move on to 2D sheet optimization. First, open the stock page and add your available sheet sizes by entering the sheet width, sheet length, and available quantity for each stock item. These stock sheets will be used by the optimizer to determine the most efficient cutting layouts. After adding the parts to be cut, click Run Optimization. The system will generate the most efficient cutting layouts based on the available stock sheets and your part requirements. The generated layouts are optimized to maximize sheet utilization while minimizing material waste. You can view each layout in the simulation screen, where the arrangement of all parts is displayed clearly, allowing you to review the cutting plan before production. You can also view the performance details for the generated layout. The report includes key metrics such as sheet utilization, material waste, parts produced, remaining offcuts, and overall optimization efficiency, helping you evaluate the quality of the cutting plan before production. Finally, I hope you enjoy using Cut and Trim app. Thank you for choosing our Trim Optimizer, and we hope it helps you improve material utilization, reduce waste, and simplify your production planning.